to add a joystick controller for our game. So it's actually very much possible, and it's very easy. So from the last video I made, so you can be able to actually put a joystick that you can be able to actually use to control it if you're using a touch screen, or you want to just use the joystick to be able to control the character instead of using the keyboard. So right now everything is set up here. I already have a control character for my top down game. So I'm going to just go to asset lib and get virtual joystick. So you have this and that. So the one you want to go for is this one here by Marco Fascio. So you just click on that and download it to your system, but you don't really need to use that. So it's already installing, it doesn't have any conflict. Click OK, and always make sure it's actually there. So if you look at now, you see it's in your add-ons and you have a virtual joystick there. So what you need to do right now is to go into first your project settings, go to your plugins and turn it on. That's the first thing. And also another thing you need to do is to go to your general, and you will go down to where you have your pointing and turn on emulate touch from mouse. Those are the two things you need to turn on for you to be able to use this feature very well. So right now, if you open this joystick, you see there are files that you actually have here. The most important thing you need is a virtual joystick scene. So that's what you need to use. So right now, I'm just going to go into my scene here. I'll right click on this and instantiate. Right click on instantiate, and I'm going to select this. So if you have multiple things, in your scene, you can just do virtual, and you go for the virtual joystick scene, and you just drop it. Alright, so I have this here. So I have this controller here. So I want to be able to move this and have this move. So you can just right click. I always like to make this local, but I can see everything here. So you see the different parts of it. So it's not local here. So if you click here, you actually see the code that controls it. And lucky for us, it already has a UI left, UI right, UI up and UI down, and that's what we have done in the controls here. If you look at the controls here, it's the same thing here. You have UI left, that's it there, UI right, and UI up and UI down. So let's play this and actually see. So once you have this, you can up, and that's like magic. So you just see everything is already done for you out of the box. So you don't have to do any other thing. So whatever you're creating, you can be able to do that. So if you want to create a sort of platformer game, I'll do that in another tutorial. So there you can be able to control the character, using this, and you can have another button here where you can use to jump or shoot or do some other kind of activities. So that's basically how you can be able to actually create use a joystick and create a very simple looking controller for your game, and this can be exported to any Android device and you can be able to play that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my contents, please support me in every way you can, and also subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and make sure you keep on learning, and whatever you create you can tag me so that I can be able to see what you create with this beautiful thing. So if you don't like coding, this is a very nice tool for you. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.